Yo guys, welcome to a new video. Just going to do a quick little video. I literally just got back from Waterstones, cooked some food, and then came onto my computer just to do a bit of trading, and I just got two quick trades. So I thought I would do a little video just doing a bit of an update. Unfortunately, yeah, both of the trades have just literally been purchased. So 2 minutes ago, as you can see, and then 8 minutes ago. So that's a little bit annoying because I did want to try and capture the trades on here. Now I only tried to play with about $10,000, so these trades are fairly good-ish. You know, it's only $130, but it was literally made within like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna go through the process of why I basically placed these two trades. So the first one was MU. Okay, so you can see here, if we zoom in, you can see this little arrow here is me shorting the stock. Okay, and then the blue arrow down here is me covering. So I shorted on this candle, okay, then I covered here. That was a 0.6% gain in that was 30 minutes, although I think it was more realistically saying 30 minutes. I didn't think it was 30 minutes, but probably was. And then we had over here Apple, okay, which is kind of the same thing. Shorted on this candle here. You can see the red indication here, the red arrow. And then I set my sell order or my buy order here at the 100. I think it's the 100, or is it the 200? I think this is the 100. Yeah, the 100 exponential moving average. And as you can see, it just bounced off that slightly. It's just high, it's covering it because that's where I bought the that's where I brought back my shares. So I shorted, so then I brought them back, and that there was a profit of let me just move this out of the way. So I shorted on this candle. So I shorted on this candle here, and then I covered around here, which is again a 0.6% gain. Nothing crazy, but you know, when you're playing with $10,000, 0.6 is $60. So I mean, it's not a bad trade. And then I just got some shorts on the SPY. You know, trading the SPY, maybe a bit unnecessary, but you know, if the SPY is going down, all the other stocks are, you know, the mid cap, the large cap stocks are going to follow pretty similar directions. So, and also the reason why I shorted both of these stocks, you can see, let's make this one bigger. So you can see here I mean, this is pretty obvious what's happening. So we have, okay, so stocks moving in waves. And as you can see quite clearly, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now this is probably going to come all the way down to around this range here, 34 mark. But I went onto the 1 minute and just saw my entry, which as you can see here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then we came down, and I could see this failing at the 6 EMA here, which it did, and possibly coming down to the 200 EMA around here. I just took a quick profit. I could have held it for a bit longer. And then with Apple, onto the 1 minute, you can see here, I shorted there after we had the wave. So we had wave 1, we came down, wave 2 kind of, so like wave 1 coming up, down, and then up. We failed here, okay, failed, and then we came all the way down. And as you can see, I shorted on this candle, and then I covered at this blue candle here, okay, and it only went up a little bit higher than where I shorted, like 0.6. So if I show the risk to reward ratio, risk to reward ratio. On the long position, so on here, I guess it was a short position, so I covered here, okay, and my stop loss would have been there. So my risk to reward there is 4.65, which is quite, you know, decent, so I'm happy with that. But overall, you know, it's only paper trading, so it's nothing crazy, but things I would do with a real account, I'm just basically saving up for an actual proper funded account. I don't really want to use any offshore brokers. I have looked at TradeZero. They are an option, but all the other accounts are $10,000 to $15,000 and above. So kind of just saving my money, keep trading. Not doing as much as I would like, but it's kind of giving me time to do other things. But I am still trading, and I just wanted to kind of capture these little two trades here that I just, because they were so short, and it was just I saw the setup, like for example, say for here, for example, this wave here, this is where you short, because this is the end of the wave, especially when it opens on a red candle. I mean, here you're talking, you know, it's only 0.4, but if you play with $20,000 on that position, it's only a 0.4% gain, but that's $80. So it's a very non-risky trade, but you have to put quite a bit of money behind that trade because it's kind of, there's not that much risk to it. You can go large in your position instead of you know, putting $500 and trying to get a 10-20% gain. I prefer making, you know, 1% or 0.5%, but putting 10 to 20 grand behind my decision, because most of the time they work out when you're doing, you know, when you're following the trade, you're following the moving averages, and you're following the waves, and you know, you're looking at the actual trend. This trend here, we're going up, and then obviously we're dropping down, similar to here. Okay, we go up, we come down, and it's near enough around the same length. Okay, so let's just copy this. Okay, so we're near enough at the same length. This height here and then this length here is at the same, near enough at the same length. Okay, so they move in waves. Okay, stocks move in waves. You can see this was the high point. It failed, came down, crossed on the EMA. Didn't come down to 100 EMA, but you know, it withstood that. And then on the 5-minute charts, 5 minutes you have a little bit more to kind of room to play with. You can see here moving in waves, so you got like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, failed, came all the way down, and now we're kind of starting to rebuild that wave 1, and we'll find some kind of support around here maybe, and then we'll bounce back off, because this is the 100 EMA, so we'll probably bounce off the EMA. But that's going to be the end of the video. I just wanted to get those two trades out. Got $34, $35 now on the SPY. Kind of the same rationale on the SPY. You can see here quite clearly. Wait, let me go on to the 5-minute. On the SPY, I believe that we are, I haven't got my drawing tools on here, but you can see on the SPY, we are failing to come above EMAs and supports. So the SPY has broken. I mean, there's nowhere really to even put this, but basically the SPY has broken the trend and we are now coming down. So my profit is $34. This is only a short trade, so I made that trade about possibly the same, possibly 30 minutes ago, coming all the way down now, following my prediction. So I'm probably going to take my profit on this one. Profit target would probably be maybe previous low, maybe here, so let's just say 255.80. So take profit at 255.80. Let's secure that in. Okay, let's see if this comes down to our target profit. Like I say, this is TradingView and this is paper trading, so basically just learning, you know, testing, trial and error, saving up for a proper account, coming up to our profit target on the SPY, and I think this is going to fail and it's going to come down to my mark. There we go. This will be a 0.4% gain. Like I say, this is a I think it's like about $13,000 trade. So I've got 50 shares at 256, so 13,000. There we go, executed. Followed my prediction. Nice easy trade, and $47. So 75 at 55, you know. So altogether, let's say we've got 100, so basically $175 in literally 36 minutes, because I placed all these trades at the same time. And trying to find here, so that's where I shorted. I just covered now, so 26 to 30 minutes. So frustrating not having a real account, but like I say, I'm just paper trading, practicing. Just wanted to get a video out there for you guys. I'm still here. I'm still doing this. I'm just waiting to being patient. I'm being patient because you can't have everything when you want it. You have to wait for the right time, the right circumstances, and you know, I want a proper account. I have to be patient and save up for a proper account. So it's going to be the end of the video, guys. I'm going to enjoy some food, and I will see you all in the next video.